For 1,000, Alex.
Of course, we didn't start rolling until after the butt of the joke. All right, so game plan. Grant's over there mashing potatoes. All right, first thing we're gonna do. Drums come off. We got to get the backing plates off. So, who wants to pull the drum? Somebody pull the drum off. It'll come right off. Mike, you should do it because you're right here.
Do I need tools?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay.
Ooh. Where do we put this?
Gently down there. Okay, so there are 4 nuts in here. One more than you. Yeah, one more than Scotty. So there's 4 nuts in here we need to take off. Go through the hole, take them off.
Grant, you like those through the hole, right?
You like going in the hole, Grant?
Sure.
So get those. You're gonna need a socket, impact. I'm not wearing bench weight.
We already got 2 of
Grant is.
Wait, what size is that?
I believe 3/4. Ford is usually 3/4. Right there.
Oh, you have the...
So if they're not 3/4, they're 11/16. But I'm pretty
drain the
sure.
rear end already or no?
No, not yet. We really don't need to fully drain
the whole
it.
brake set up. The whole,
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna pull this off because we need to get the axle out.
Okay.
So, how about that? Who wants to take the drum off the other side? Get started. Peter, you want to pull the drum off?
I was just curious. I didn't know if we were going to do a rear end service while we're in there.
We will. We'll probably end up just topping it off.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, 9-inch.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking.
It's a 9er.
It's a 9er, so you can't just remove the rear.
You can. I mean, I can. If the axle's out, you can pull a pumpkin. But
Yeah.
we ain't ready to do that.
Not
We're
ready.
not gonna do that. All right. So drums are off.
They're right here. We're already being impactful.
We're mashing potatoes. Okay, gently. The class list card. We plug in. We have flowers. All right. Careful.
How many Ugga Duggas does it take?
Till it comes apart.
Oh, I have
Go ahead.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Ricky Bobby's got the
Solder iron. Wick's got one too.
Did you really?
Wrong way. There you go.
Take it all the way off.
Take it all the way. We are gonna need probably a bucket or pail. Allie's got one. There you go. Go to your next one. Here we go.
We can use this one. It's just here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, you know, with an impact driver.
Yeah. If they overdid it from this.
There we go. No, a 9-inch. It's just either on the outside, or if it's like my car, it's full floating. And it has plates on it.
And this is probably an open diff.
Yeah.
Okay, so then there's no...
I mean, we'll go
It's
on.
been a really long time since I touched a 9-inch. It needs to be charged. Usually 8.5. Or 8 by 8. I mean,
I was gonna say with something other than your mouth.
Oh dear.
Right in there.
Alright, so now
Okay, so they're line those up.
When you turn this, you have to go through that hole, right?
Let's let them get that one apart
so when we pull this off, it's gonna just start dropping grease
a
everywhere?
little bit of oil.
Drippage?
So get that one
Is
off,
that bad?
Grant.
Should we put a rag so it doesn't get on the brakes?
If you want to cover this, it
Yeah.
would be appreciated. Look at Scotty's got like some 80s hairband shit going with his hair. It was blowing in the wind.
Oh.
Looked like a White Snake video.
I know. Yeah, but I'm not the bitch with long blonde hair.
no, you're no Tony.
Yeah. Get your feet off the damn car.
You're scratching the carpet. No wonder you got killed in which board?
All right, you getting them? Did you get your nuts stuck in the hole?
Oh, and they found Julian's man's body.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Oh, girl.
He did get lost up in the
There we go. All right. Have at it, boys.
So the brake stays intact?
Yes, for right now.
Put this here so you don't
Okay, so
get,
we're gonna
like,
get the slide hammer for this
Where
part.
that grease all over your
Well, they
brakes.
pull that out.